Hello, I'm Stephen Parkinson from Web Labs, and I'd like to say thank you for watching this very short video about how Southwark Council is moving forward with a digital transformation and making a real impact for customers and significant savings for members. So here we are on the Southwark Council website, which is giving access to citizens for various different digital services. But the real benefits are in the single customer account which Web Labs have created for Southwark. So members and citizens can join and log in with either Facebook and Twitter, so it's very easy to join. I'll just sign in with these details here, and immediately you can start to see to the back office integrations that have already been in place and are already working in Southwark. So we've got business rates, council tax, rent and housing applications, etc. All of those things are live and are working. We've also got a Your Area section where members of the community can very quickly find information that's relevant to them. So here we've got polling stations, which you can see on a map, and also details of the elected members and the MP for the area. So it's a very easy and seamless way of finding that information. But also it's been so successful at Southwark that the NHS have also come on board and are now providing back office services direct through to the NHS. So when we have a look at this, we can start to see some of the information that's coming through. And we look at Health Help Now and go into services. We can start to see, for example, a list of GP practices in the area. And this is actually pulling the information direct from the NHS back offices system. So that's an integration that Web Labs have done. And you can start to see here it's come through the NHS Southwark Clinical Commissioning Group. When we look at some of the figures, they're really quite stark and interesting. So if we look here, there's nearly 191,000 accounts that have been registered through My Southwark, and which Web Labs are managing. And again, if we look, we can start to see that nearly 100 people every day, on average, are actually joining the My Southwark facility. Rent, council tax benefits and libraries are the most popular. So again, it's being heavily used and is already in place. When we look at the back office architecture and the Web Labs bridge system that's driving this, it's very easy to use. So here we are with a change of address form. I can very quickly edit that form by putting a builder in here, just go into the builder. And here is the address, first name, last name, old address, etc. I can add email address, very quickly put that in, and immediately you can put that up. So it's very easy to use and very user-friendly system. But the great thing about this as well is we can also add an integration. So we can select, because the integrations are already there, I can select council tax, and immediately we can log straight into the Capita council tax system which Southwark use, because that integration has already been done through Web Labs. And if we have a look at the system architecture, we can start to see how the bridge works. It's very much focused on the user and providing information to the user rather than having them to navigate through council services. So this is the system architecture which the bridge is using to deliver true transformation. And when we look at some of the completed integrations, there's some very familiar lists there of all sorts of different services that have been integrated with, that Web Labs have got specialist knowledge, and this is not vaporware, this is real life integrations that are there happening now. Some of them are in Southwark, some of them are in other councils. So you can start to see the integrations work and it's real. So let's have a look at a very quick summary of how the bridge system is being deployed. It provides seamless service delivery, it's totally future-proof and gives a real return on investment. And it's proven and not been vaporware. And it really is delivering true digital transformation. So this is an opportunity. Please find out more about how the Web Labs bridge system can help you and help your members really deliver savings and results for your customers.